So right off the box, we have a mouse. Of course we have a mouse. Today we have a really cool mouse to review, which is the Marvo Fit Pro. It has a really cool feature that I don't think any other mouse may have. So without any further ado, let's get it open, see what we got here. And look at this little guy. It looks so cute. It's all white and the grip is kind of frosted. You can see through but not really clear, which is really nice looking mouse, man. And also we have an extra grip. It looks a little bigger than the one that's already installed on the mouse. So we got a USB dongle. And also we have, what is this? Oh, 2 side button switches. A detachable USB cable, user menu. Okay, let's put these boxes away. It got a pretty good weight on it. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. And on the front side of the mouse, we have quite a few buttons. The left key, the right key, screw buttons, and also this one I think is for the DPI. And on the side, we have 2 more buttons. On the button, we have 2 switches. One is for the mode to change between 2.4 gig and the Bluetooth. And this one seems pretty nice. We have the off with the light bulb crossed. I think that's without the RGB effect. And there's another one with the light bulb on, which I think is for the RGB. The whole mouse is made by plastic, but it seems pretty tough. And when I shake it, it feels pretty well made. Nothing is moving around inside the mouse, so that is good. And now let's turn it on, see what we actually got here. Ooh, look, these little RGB lights. I like the logo. It's kind of circling around. And also we have some RGB under the mouse. There's 2 lines of it. It looks pretty modern and pretty futuristic. And also the button, the screw button is also the RGB. Oh, I just noticed something that's pretty cool. So you see when it's on my desk, it has the RGB effect. And when I move it, the RGB turns off. You see? The RGB is light now. And when I move it, that's pretty cool. So this is very good for your power consumption. I really like it, man. I like the idea of this. And also we can change all this RGB in the software or by pushing 2 buttons. I wish they have just 1 button that we can change the RGB effect. But in fact, we need to push 2 buttons in order to change the RGB effect, which is this key right here and plus the screw key. You see? Now the RGB changes. Not that I don't like it, because it's just not convenient. But we do have quite a few modes of RGB effect. But I like the default. This rainbow like spectrum is really cool. I really like it. And another thing that I like about this mouse is the feature that offers, which is this one. We can actually change the grip on this. So in order to do that, we need to move these 2 buttons right here. It's magnetic, it's pretty easy to remove it. But if you push too hard, you might break it. So be careful with this. So after removing the button, push up like this, and it's off. So this is the look of it without the grip. Okay, now let's put this guy on. So if you have a bigger hand, using the big one, that will be really comfortable for you. But I really wish instead of offering the big and the small grip, they actually put in a, ergonomic maybe. So it's gonna be a gaming mouse and also an office mouse. So you can use either way. And not only the RGB effect lighting is good, and also the grip changing feature is good, the performance of this mouse is also at top notch. Let me read you some of the specs of this mouse offers. So the switch type is the mechanic read for 15 million clicks, and the max DPI for this mouse is 19,000, which offers 6 default DPI settings. The RGB effect has 7 options, which offers 16.8 million colors. And it also offers 2 years of warranty, so anything happens to this mouse, you're in covered. And also, if you don't like the color of the grip, then you can order the grip set, and each set comes with 2, 1 big and 1 small. And for some reason, if you don't like the wireless one and you want the wire one, they also offer the version with wired. And for the wire version, you still get 2 grips the big one and the small one, and all the features are the same as the wireless one. Now that's enough information about this mouse, and now let's see how it really does in action. So after some games and testing, I'm pretty positive to say that this mouse can be on the top notch. The performance is really well, it's very responsive, no lag whatsoever, and because of the 6 DPI settings, you can find a perfect spot for your needs. My hand is about medium size and I'm using the large grip, and when I'm holding the mouse, there's no gap between my hand and the mouse. So when I move around, I have a very good grip, so it's easy to move around and aim for my targets. The only complaint that I have about this mouse is after I remove the small grip and replace it with this large one, the USB port is really tight. So when I try to plug in the charge cable, it's really tight, so I have to give some force in order to plug in there. So that's the only downside I have about this mouse for now. Other than that, this is a great mouse. So if you're looking for a gaming mouse and it's fully customizable without any tools, and this is the right one for you. Leave a comment below of what you think about this mouse, and also thank you for watching, and as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out!